So it has been officially announced that the Bank of Jamaica would start rolling out its central bank digital currency by mid-June of 2023. This move by the BOJ represents a significant transformational and game-changing effort that will be a substantial underpinning in Jamaica's journey to becoming a digital society. But what does CBDC mean for consumers and businesses? Before we go further, just a short message. When I look on the internet, like everybody and them granny, I blame the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness. Just want to say that this has nothing to do with Andrew Holness. And for those of you making this move political or trying to use it for campaign purposes, remember that any party in power would have been making these same changes. It's actually a global initiative, not just Jamaica, as we'll see further in the video. Anyway, let's move on. So what is a CBDC, or a central bank digital currency? In short, CBDC is the digital version of what we know as paper money and will have value directly equivalent to its paper counterpart. More importantly, it is regulated and issued by the BOJ and will be considered legal tender. Jamaica is not the first country in the region to look into the issuance of CBDCs. The Eastern Caribbean Central Bank launched its DCash, a digital currency first announced in 2019 as a pilot CBDC project with Barbados-based fintech company Bitt. In October of last year, the Central Bank of the Bahamas introduced the sand dollar as a digital legal currency equivalent to the traditional Bahamian dollar, making it the first of its kind in the world to have been fully deployed. How will the CBDC work? It is essential to understand that CBDC is not a cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are based on a decentralized operating paradigm, while CBDCs are centralized currencies. Additionally, while cryptocurrencies typically run atop blockchain technology, not all CBDCs use blockchain. A central bank will mint its digital currency and issue it to its commercial banks. Each CBDC unit will be cryptographically unique and almost impossible to forge. Consumers will require a digital wallet to store and exchange CBDCs for goods and services. The digital wallet may be an app on your mobile phone, a piece of software running on your computer, or a hardware device physically connected to your computer. Transactions using CBDC will be hyper-efficient and almost instant, so the age of waiting hours and days to get paid or to have funds transferred to your account will no longer exist. But for all of this to happen, a few changes have to be made. The payment modality must be as simple as what exists now with cash. There should be minimal or zero cost to the consumer when doing transactions. The infrastructure platforms and networks that CBDC-based transactions will use must handle a high volume of transactions, be highly secure, be resistant to cyber attacks, and resilient to network failure. Consumers must be able to conduct offline transactions if there are network or power failures. The system must allow for a wide range of retail payment integration points with a wide range of providers, not only commercial banks. So it seems we are still a far way away from completely going digital, because all of this have to happen before this can be 100%. So guys, if you found anything interesting in this video, if you learned anything, let me know in the comment section down below. And as always, thanks for watching.
I was in London. I went out to have dinner and I wanted to pay. I took the cash out, shiny cash to pay. And they said to me the most polite King's English, "I'm sorry, we do not accept